Welcome back, everyone. This video is going to be the first part in a multi-part series regarding how to search best practices, and useful search commands. So if you've never searched with Splunk before, the first thing you're going to want to do is log in, and then go to the Search and Reporting app, and it should default to a search menu. We're going to start with a search that is very useful to users that don't know what data is available to them. It searches pipe, which is that line at the beginning, tstats, values, parentheses, source type, end parentheses, as source types by index. If we run this search, we'll get a list of all the indexes and the source types inside of those indexes. So right about now, you're probably wondering what an index or source type is. An index is a directory on the indexer where we ingest data. For the purpose of this video, we're going to assume we have 700 million Windows logs, 7 million Linux logs, 70 million network logs, and 700,000 security logs. When data is ingested into an index, it is put inside of a bucket. We're going to go in depth about buckets in a later video. But for now, it's important for you to know that the name of a bucket is the time of the first event and the time of the last event. We're going to assume that each bucket is 1 day's worth of data, meaning if we search back 24 hours for Windows logs, we're going to be searching 100 million logs. A data source such as Windows can have many types of logs. For instance, in one event log, we have security, application, and system. Each one of these types of logs is called a source type. Now, if we put all this information together, if I were to search Splunk for the term error over all time, I would be searching over 770 million logs. Instead, if I were to search index equals Windows, source type equals when event log application for the term error over the last 24 hours, I'd be searching less than 10 million logs. As you can see, filtering on index, source type, and time is critical to the search's performance, as it will search a much smaller subset of logs. Here's what that looks like in practice. I'm searching for the term error over all time. I received 13,762 logs. Instead, if I were to search specifically to the index for when event log application over the last 24 hours, I received 23 events.